Hey Jax, so we're gonna go check out the bees, see how they're doing. It's pretty warm out, it's like 25 degrees. No, I'm not supposed to turn the light on in the winter, but come on Jax, see how they're doing. After bees dying every winter outside, decided to do how the Canadians do and keep them inside. Some that come out and die, and you can kind of hear them. Got a couple alive in there. Let's see. I just put my ear up. These are alive. Not sure. Let's take a peek inside one. Some doesn't sound too good. Sounds dead. Oh, they're alive. Just a small cluster. Not as big as I'd hope. But fingers crossed they'll live. We'll find out. Already had, those three are dead. This one's my queen breeder. Let's see if I can put my ear on it and hear them. Yep, they're alive. You can hear these guys humming. Looks like a mouse might have got in there. Oh, that's alive. Yep. I can't really tell if they're moving. Let's see if I got a stick in here. Let's get in there. See what's going on. That's not looking too good. Can't tell. I gotta look. I got a feeling these are dead. Yep. They sure look like they're dead. I think they're out. Well, that's unfortunate, but it's beekeeping in Wisconsin. Sure can hear these girls are going nuts. Normally this is my workshop. Let's see what the temperature is in here. It's 27. Humidity's pretty high. That's okay. 2 more months to go. I was hoping to get the sawmill out today, but a little storm came in. We'll go see how bad it is. Not enough to get the tractor out, but making a mess. It's the barn we built last year. Maybe this afternoon. It's not too cold out. Here's what we got to cut today. Probably take an entire day to cut this. And this is what we want to turn them into. This is what we did for January. Need about 4 times this for the cabin. So I cut in one afternoon at the woodland mill 2 blades. Enough slab wood, make a lot of tables. This is a sawmill we're going to use. Made in Canada. Homemade trailer from a boat trailer, but if you're ever thinking about buying one, do it. Totally worth it. A tractor. Gonna have to work on that next weekend. You can cut up to 10 feet on this one. You get extensions for it. Keep this shed below 0. Kill off any kind of bugs or insects that could get in my bee boxes. So that'll be my future project this summer. Got bee breeding starting. Come on, Jackson. I think maybe today we'll hook this up. Get some real heat in this room. This is part of my extraction room. I had to put up a center wall. This is just getting too high of an electric bill. Try to keep this. Here's my extraction equipment. Temporarily converted into a wood shop. Start working on some more tables for the winter. That's enough wandering around for today.